Hey, this is Hunter from Tortoise and Hare Software, and today we're going to be talking about building out the Testify section of the Presto landing page framework. And this is really how we just provide social proof to kind of back up some of our claims after the Simplify section and just the overall flow of the page before we present them an offer. So we'll talk about some of the elements of the Testify section in the video, so let's dive right in. Alright, so the Testify section is pretty straightforward, so I'm not going to spend a ton of time in this video, but it's going to come right after the Simplify section, which we covered in our last video. And my recommendation probably here is just to kind of don't just put like testimonials, play it up a little bit with a little bit more robust headline like this. Put 1, 2, 3 testimonials that are relevant to the topic of the page. You can link to a dedicated testimonials page on your website to, if they want to learn more, or you can link them directly to your business profile, or you can just not link. And then the other kind of thing that you might want to do is include some case studies in this testimonial section. I know it's called the Testify section and is more focused on testimonials, but it's really more of like the social proof section, so you can also include testimonials or other kind of like social proof elements. Most of my customers don't have any case studies, despite my pleadings. But that's kind of why I'm highlighting the Tortoise and Hare site here. But case studies are an amazing way to generate more leads and generate better quality leads, because big customers with big problems will read case studies way more than smaller customers will. So they're very powerful. Sliders like this can be a really nice way to kind of present them, and then you can have a link that links to your all case studies archives. I do case studies on the blog. You could also set them up as a custom post type if you want it on your website. And this kind of works off the Simplify section, going into the testimonial section, to kind of like back up the encouragement of your kind of call to action there. And let's see if I can actually pull up a quick okay. Then I got this kind of charter fishing landing page I kind of pulled up here. This one's just a single review, because I really only have one charter fishing client review, but it's definitely important to have the reviews be relevant to the context of the page. So find your closest, most relevant review to the content of the page. You can also include video case studies, which are great, kind of just talking through what you did for the client, or providing a little bit more color. Another thing you can do for social proof here is do what I did for this client and do like a logo cloud. On the kind of Tortoise and Hare site, I have more logo clouds near the kind of top, but in this case the client had more. It just kind of made more sense to put the logo cloud near the bottom. But just overall, this section is more about including like social proof, so reviews, case studies, testimonials, and then other things like logo clouds. You just really want to load up on social proof kind of right here after you've done your Simplify section and before you present them the offer. So you're giving yourself a lot of credibility before you make your your final offer pitch, and we'll cover the offer in the next video. So that's it for today. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And once again, I'm Hunter Nelson with Tortoise and Hare Software, and thanks for watching.